Guys, today I'm going to share with you my personal day trading strategy that helped me to achieve 1 million funding from prop firms. Wherever you are an aspiring trader or looking to level up, this day trading strategy will be clearly a game changer for you. So I advise you to take a notebook and write everything that I'm saying, because this strategy will be a banger. But before I show you this strategy that made me a lot of money, I wanted to share with you a big news. I am going to create a Discord community where I will do daily posts about my trades with a full breakdown on why I am taking them, and I will share my thoughts about prop firms and everything related to trading. Now let's get straight to the video. Guys, as you can see on the charts, the pair that we will use for this strategy will be a crypto pair, ETH, USD, Ethereum. And this is a crypto pair that made me a lot of money on my funded accounts. For this strategy, guys, we will focus on the 15 minutes charts, and it's the only time frame that we will use. Guys, I have seen a lot of people that focus on a lot of pairs and time frames, but you have to understand that all this is BS, and focusing on just one time frame and one pair, it's a very powerful way to create consistency, confidence, and discipline as a trader. Guys, in this way you eliminate all the BS, unnecessary noises and distraction from trading, making it easier to understand the patterns, the behavior of a single pair. Guys, it's a day trading strategy with a trade duration of 3 to 4 hour max, but usually it takes even less. My risk to reward ratio is always 1 to 3, which is very high and excellent even with a low win rate. But in this strategy, guys, also the win rate is quite high. It's between 45 to 50% as a win rate. So guys, what you want more? With this kind of win rate and risk reward ratio, I'm providing you one of the best and simple trading strategy. So guys, if you want more videos like that where I share my personal trading strategy, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends. So guys, in this way I of course will be more motivated to create videos like that. Guys, this trading strategy is so simple that we don't use any indicators or other nonsense that other traders use that makes trading very hard. Guys, we just use a horizontal ray for the low and a horizontal ray for the high, which I will of course share on how to use them. Okay guys, as you can see, this is our high and this is our low. Now you will ask me why this is the high point and why this is the low. The answer, guys, is quite simple, because this high was able to break all these previous highs. Meanwhile, this low is the low because this high was not able to break the high of the red one. So this will be classified as the low. Now guys, I will do some back testing so you will understand the concept more clearly. As we go forward with the reply button, we can see that all this is the retracement, and for me, things that are between the high and the low, the candles that are between, is just a retracement and it is just a range. And if we continue, we can see that the low is continually being broken, and this is our new low. As we can see, this will be our new low until we can see the retracement. So we can see that now we had the retracement here. So this was the new low and this was the new high. Now we have broken the low. So this will be our new low and this will be our new high. Again, we can see that there is the retracement and we have broken finally the high. So this will be our new high. This is, as you can see, it's a retracement. I can classify this retracement because, as you can see here, the high is this number, which is 282.83, and we can see that this is lower than that, so this will be classified as the retracement. And if we go forward, we can see that all this is the retracement, and now we have finally the high and this is the low. Guys, why this is the high? Because this high was able to break this previous highs, and this high, which is the inside bar, was not able to break the high of this red candle, so this will classified as the low. As we continue, we can see that this candle is the retracement and we finally broke up again the high. So this will be our new high, and this will be our new low. So guys, as you can see, if we continue like that, we can see that here is our new low, this new high. This low was broken, so this was the new low, this was the new high. So now guys, as we have done also the back testing, you can see how this concept is so simple about the high and low. And guys, as you can see, we are not even using a single indicator. This concept is so easy that we are just using a high and a low as a rake. Okay guys, this is your first step. To learn this strategy, you have to practice this method of high and low. Okay guys, now that we have learned on how to use these lines, it's time to focus on the main pattern that we will use in this strategy, which is the doji candle. Now you will simply ask me, Puneet, what is a doji candle? A doji candle is like this candle. Guys, this is a doji candle because you can see that the red one, which is the body, is smaller than the two wicks, and to confirm that, we can use this tool, and which is the price range. You can find this on TradingView, and you can see that the first wick is only 2.06 pips, which is bigger than the body itself, which is 0.42 pips, and also the other wick is 1.66 pips. So guys, this pattern will be classified as a doji candle. Guys, now we will understand why this doji candle on this pattern on 15 minutes chart is very powerful. Guys, the rules on this strategy are really simple. Guys, in a case of buy trade, the doji candle must be of the color of red, and guys, logically the color of the doji candle in a sell trade must be blue. Guys, now is finally the time to see some examples of this trading strategy, and while I will show these trades, I will explain all the details on how to take these trades and how to manage all the trades. Okay guys, first of all we will see some examples of long trade, and as you can see straight into the charts, we have a red doji candle. So this is part of our strategy. We will put our sell stop on the top of the wick, and we will put the stop loss at the bottom of the wick. So our trade will look like this. As you can see, this is our entry level, this is our stop loss, and our will risk reward ratio will be 1 to 3, as I said before. So going forward with this trade, we can see that we are straight into the profit. And the second rule of this trading strategy is that we go break even when we are at 1.5% with the trade. As you can see, we have still not reached the 1.5%, but with the next candle we reach that, so we go break even. Okay guys, now that we have reached the 1.5% and we are break even, we can go forward with the trade, and we can see that we reached the 3% with just few other candles. Guys, now you can see clearly the power of this strategy. Finding a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio with a 45% win ratio is absolutely a game changer, and will help you to pass any prop firm and make money from them. Okay guys, so now focus on the second example of a long trade. Guys, another very important thing about this strategy is that the doji candle has to be always outside the previous high, and it can never be inside the previous high and the low, because I consider that as a range. So basically it has to be always outside the previous high, and in a sell situation it has to be always outside the low. And the last rule of this strategy is that we can have maximum 2 candles of retracement. If we have more than that, then the setup is clearly invalid. So in this case, if we go with the play button, we can see that there is the first candle of retracement, then there is the second one, and we can put also our risk reward ratio. The stop loss will be at the low of the candle of retracement, and our risk reward ratio is 1 to 3. And we can see that with the third candle we are inside this trade. Remember always guys that with 1.5% we have to go risk free. So now let's see the result of this trade. We can see that only with the 1, 2, 3, 4th candle we are already risk-free on this trade. And if we go forward with this trade, we can see that, let me place 1 2 3, we can see that we are going up, and then finally we hit the take profit. And guys, just take a second to look at the precision of this trade. Look that we reach our take profit and then it immediately reverses. Okay guys, so now focus on a sell trade. The rules for the sell trade are exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the doji candle, which is in this case will be blue. In this case guys, we will place a sell stop here, and this is our low, and this is our high. Okay, so now let's see the result of this trade. We can see that with the second candle we are tagged in, and going forward we can see that we already hit the take profit guys in 30 minutes. This is quite incredible. Guys, I really don't know who can give you a better strategy than that, because guys, making 3% with just 2 candles, so it means 30 minutes, is not for everyone, believe me. So guys, now that we have learned this trading strategy, I advise you to backtest and gain confidence with this strategy. And if you arrived at this point of the video guys, I'm really proud of you, because it means that you really want to change your life, you want to trade, you want to learn to trade and make money. If you want me to share my other trading strategies that I use in my prop firms and I make regular payouts from them, comment with the word wise strategy. And of course guys, like, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Until then, happy trading.